It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. I'm out in nature. I found something cool. So if you see this, I hope you have luck today too. Come on a walk with me into nature. Oh, this is a nice little area. Oh, I see how to get to that path. Okay. This is a nice little sit spot. Look how peaceful. I'm gonna sit. Hey guys. You like my new mask? Just wanted to take a minute, see how you're doing, and figure why not be out in nature with me for a few minutes, just in case you can't be in nature for yourself right now. Let's take a moment to just listen to the sounds of life and nature around us. And thanks for being with me in this moment. For those wondering, I'm at Cedar Beach on Long Island in New York at their nature preserve off to the side after the parking lot. So you'll hear other people because it's public. Isn't that nice? Thanks for coming with me on this walk. Look what I found. If you saw my other post, I found another 4-leaf clover rock before I started this walk. Yippee! Hope you've been enjoying the walk with me. The sunshine. Make sure you drink some water, okay? Don't forget. Make sure you take your vitamin C and your vitamin D3. Make sure to wear a mask when you're out. And try to get some kind of exercise in, alright? Please don't forget, you matter. You gotta start taking care of yourself because the sun's gonna start shining again. And you're gonna wanna feel healthy for it. And I'm actually wearing a mask even though I'm outside because there's tons of people walking around. And I want to make sure they feel safe too. Otherwise, normally if I was just outdoor in nature, of course I wouldn't be wearing it. But I'm trying not to have other people be seen on the video too because I didn't ask. So, you know. But find ways to enjoy your day even though there's stress going on, alright? I love you guys. And look forward to my next video of us in nature.